Hey everyone. So we were going over our real-time API demo. This is our own version that we're trying out for the first time. Now I'm going to refresh the browser so that we're able to actually connect to the real-time server correctly. Interesting. So all of these actually got logged to the server, which means that the server is reading this differently. Okay, so is it because I did put use client here. Why would it be logging this into the console? Maybe it's just the simple fact that I didn't do it inside the actual component. Just let me refresh. Yeah, no, it still still logs this on the actual console, which I find super weird. Which means that it's treating this as a server-side component. Okay. The API key is always undefined. And this is saying 8081. If I try to connect now, hey, can you hear me? It's gonna tell me that it's not connected. So let me disconnect and fix this. So you're either setting the API key to 8081, but by the time we console log it here, it's empty. Okay, so we're gonna have to hard code some values here. Over here, I'm going to grab this HTTP 8081, and I'm going to literally put it here. Although that was never really a problem. I think the only problem was when it was looking for the API key. But let's just try this to see what is happening so far. Yeah, stupid.
Hey there, how can I help?
Okay, so that worked. So it seems like you can hear me now. Uh-oh. Let me make this bigger. So can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How about you? Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can actually hear you great. Yes, I can hear you great.
Awesome, that's great to hear. What would you like to chat about or explore today?
Okay, so I'm gonna try it with just the VAD. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you wonderfully.
Fantastic. So, what's on your mind today?
Well, I honestly want to test your capabilities, so I'll be back in a second.
Sure thing, take your time. I'll be here when you're ready.
Wonderful. So we've gotten it to run in our Next.js application. For some reason, something weird was going on here when I was saving that. So I'm going to have to look into what was going on here. It wasn't until I actually saved this here where things changed. I will also note that in the browser, yeah, it was showing 8080 and not the entire browser name until I actually saved it. So I have to see why it was doing that. I feel like that's super weird, but it's working now. So my next step is to integrate it into the applications that I already have. So that's going to be the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know that was, a little bit of back and forth and the UI looks unbelievable, but we look for implementation and then we look for improving the user experience after. So hope you guys have subscribed by this point. I really need all the support I can get, and I really want to make some tech friends. Getting kind of lonely here. So subscribe if you haven't done so, and watch the next video. We're going to get the ball rolling.